Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the syllabus for the Citrix Designing, Deploying and Managing Citrix XenMobile 10 Enterprise Solutions exam in a clear, practical way. This exam covers 8 domains with exact weights. Troubleshooting XenApp and XenDesktop 21%, Provisioning Services 14%, Advanced Storefront and Receiver 12%, Intermediate Design 11%, Advanced Delivery Controller 11%, XenApp and XenDesktop Maintenance 11%, Advanced Virtual Desktop Infrastructure 10%, and Intermediate App Orchestration 10%. You will see a mix of scenario-based and hands-on assessments and targeted learning hours per domain. Use this overview to plan study time and hands-on practice. Troubleshooting XenApp and XenDesktop is 21% of the exam, marked as hard and estimated at 30 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. You will learn diagnostic tools and remediation techniques for a 7.15 LTSR environment, focusing on delivery controller troubleshooting and VDA registration and session issues. Expect to analyze FMA service failures, SQL database connectivity, licensing communication, Citrix Scout and CDF trace logs, and session launch and HDX connection failures. Provisioning Services or PVS is 14%, hard difficulty, estimated at 25 hours and assessed with hands-on and conceptual tasks. This domain teaches configuration and management of PVS infrastructure and vDisk lifecycle management, including farm and site settings, store redundancy, and boot methods such as PXE and BDM. You will practice creating and versioning vDisks, choosing right cache locations, troubleshooting vDisk locks, and optimizing PVS network and stream service high availability. Advanced Storefront and Receiver is 12%, medium difficulty, estimated at 20 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Learn to build a highly available and optimized user access layer by configuring storefront server groups, synchronization, load balancing, and multi-site aggregation and failover. The domain also covers receiver optimization from gateway routing and beacon points to advanced authentication and workspace control for reliable access. Intermediate Design carries 11%, is hard, and requires about 20 hours with scenario-based assessment focused on architectural decision-making. You will study design methodology and infrastructure design to assess user segmentation, choose resource locations, and design site and zone architectures with storage IOPS and high availability considerations. The domain includes SQL placement, license server architecture, network topology for HDX, VDA sizing, and planning for printing and profile management. Advanced Delivery Controller is 11%, medium difficulty, estimated at 18 hours and assessed with hands-on and conceptual tasks centered on scaling core infrastructure. Topics include delegated administration, advanced machine catalogs, delivery group tuning, SQL optimization, and PowerShell automation for site management. You will practice configuring zone properties, preference, configuration logging, site-wide HDX policies, and director monitoring to maintain performance at scale. XenApp and XenDesktop maintenance is 11%, medium difficulty, and requires about 15 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessment focused on lifecycle management. Learn upgrade and migration sequencing, site and database upgrades, VDA and PVS target device updates, and rollback procedures for failed upgrades. Ongoing maintenance covers database grooming and backups, applying LTSR cumulative updates, VDA cleanup, license management, health checks with Citrix Scout, and certificate maintenance for storefront and gateway. Advanced Virtual Desktop Infrastructure is 10%, medium difficulty, estimated at 15 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment focused on advanced VDI delivery. You will master HDX graphics modes such as H264 and ThinWire, optimize VDI for high latency links, plan GPU pass-through and VPU, and manage desktop OS session limits. The domain includes remote PC access, image footprint optimization, and strategies to scale VDI performance and user experience. Intermediate App Orchestration is 10%, medium difficulty, estimated at 15 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessment centered on advanced application delivery. Topics include Citrix App Layering Architecture, creating OS, platform and app layers, elastic layering, app v integration, and workspace environment management. You will learn to manage application groups, layer versions, and delivery methods to simplify application lifecycle and reduce image sprawl. This syllabus gives a clear study map with exact weights, difficulty, and study hours per domain to guide your preparation. Focus first on the 21% troubleshooting domain, balance hands-on practice for PVS and delivery controller tasks, and use the design and maintenance sections to solidify architecture knowledge.